the KOA. Let's pop in there and see what it looks like. Huh. Air hockey, picnic tables, got a TV, little couch area. Oh, there's a shelf with a bunch of games on it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And they have this pavilion area, it's a covered area you can have a little picnic or something in. Over here you can see kids probably love that. Bouncy castle, bouncy pillow playground. They too have Hunt Brothers Pizza here. So you can get pizza and wings and all kinds of food, and they'll deliver it right to your site in the office. Inside the store you can buy some gold panning stuff, dirt, and then you can go to this little sluice here and pan it out and see what you find. Looks like they probably also do some stuff in this little building too, right out in front of the office here. Bathrooms look nice and clean. They're doing a bunch of updating to the entrance, which I think is going to be really nice when they have it done. Alright, this is the laundry room. Nice little area, little table to fold your stuff, ironing board and iron. You got 2 washers on this side, 2 dryers, an extra 2 dryers, and an extra 2 washers on that side. So it's working good for me. Alright, look at that! Look at that! This is Ryan's house. Just his little lake that he has right in front of his house. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then over here is this creepy dude in the bushes right there.